Hello. I don't know why I'm so loud while listening, but see, as you can see, it's a slightly different location. As when I'm sitting on the ground, that's why it's different location. But really, so like I said, since I woke up in the middle of the night, in a groggy way, I was reading this book also. It's called How to Be a Writer by Ruskin Bond, and honestly, this is just a 100-page book, and it's been written mostly for the primary audience is supposed to be children, on how to encourage children, but the writing style and the examples of the books that are given, like Guy de Maupassant and Somerset Maugham, these are books that or I guess that's what adults also can read, and young teens or teenagers or anybody. So but How to Be a Writer by Ruskin Bond, it's a 100-page book, which honestly doesn't really like enlighten you or whatever, because and it's even in the format, even the writing is so, it's got pictures and things like that. So it's an interesting book. So you can get it on Amazon. It's called How to Be a Writer by Ruskin Bond. So it's already a 1-minute review. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.